Hi traders, David here again from Apex Alpha Wave Trader. I want to show you a trade I'm currently in on the USD CAD. This trade was based off of my analysis of the dollar index, which I sent out the beginning of this week. So I've been keeping my eye closely on the dollar index for quite some time now, and it's been really giving me good trades on the major currency pairs. So this trade, it's a buy trade or a long trade, and I'm just going to walk you through how I got into this trade. So let's go to the monthly and see what we see. I always stress the fact that doing a top-down analysis from the monthly down to your level of entry helps you a lot. Now, what do we see here on the monthly chart? Okay, if I were to make the chart smaller, you will see that we had this massive wave bottom here. 1, 2, 3. So we are currently in the fourth wave. Okay. So going closer to the most current candle right now looks like it's bullish, bouncing off of this level. Now, this hammer here, I thought it was going to do something to push the prices down, okay, the market down, I mean. But so far, it looks like the upward trend is commencing. We actually have a wave bottom situation here too, a big one. 1, 2. So this is currently the third wave on this particular leg as well. You can see we have a golden cross on the MACD and we had a golden cross here. Okay, so right now it looks like the most current candle is bullish. So if I go to the weekly, this is what is going on here. So after price bounced off of this level of support here, we seem to be going up for now. But you see, we are in a fourth wave here. Okay, based on what I'm seeing from here, there's another smaller 1, 2, 3, and then 4 here. So we are still in a fourth wave, and because of that, I can't just say that the price is going to shoot up to this level. So I'm using the most current level of price high on the weekly as my possible profit target. Okay, I haven't even moved it to the tip yet, but that's where I'm looking at to take my profits for now. So if I go down to the lower time frame, the daily time frame here, this is what's going on. So you can see here clearly we are in a fourth wave. Okay, we had the positive divergence situation here. We had another one here. I believe this is positive divergence as well. I have to check that. This low is 3854, and this low is let me see, can't see that closely, 38239. Okay, so it looks like this is actually lower than this place, but the point is we are in a fourth wave here. Okay, and if we look, I'll just go quickly to the dollar index and show you guys. You can see that the market bounced off of this level here and is currently headed for this area of resistance. Okay, so because the USD CAD is paired to the dollar, it stands to reason that it's going to ape what the dollar is doing. So I expect that this area here will actually resist the price, so it makes sense for me to take my profit there. Okay, so based on what I saw on the dollar index, I decided to wait for an opportunity to go long here. Okay, and of course, if we do get a cross on the MACD here, because we already have a cross on the EMAs, if we get a cross on the MACD, then it means that the upward move may have started on this leg. So if I go to the 4-hour chart here, this is what is happening. Okay, so when I came to this chart today, the market was hovering, I believe it was hovering somewhere in this region. So I was waiting patiently for an opportunity to go long. Okay, so I took this trade off of the 1-hour chart, and I'm just going to go to the 1-hour now. So this is what is going on. When I came to the chart, I believe the market was hovering somewhere in this region. Okay, that was yesterday, and I kept my eye on it. Okay, so when it created this wave bottom situation here, beautiful one by the way, I decided to go long. Okay, I entered early just after the cross, and I allowed the market to go up a ways before I moved my stop. So I fully intend to put in another lot once this dip here is over and continues to rally up. I'm going to place another trade there. So that's That's the USD card. So a quick look again at the dollar index, you can see what's happening. I believe that we still have a little bit more oomph to get to this area here. So it could be possible that by Friday is going to be very interesting because of the news coming out, the non-farm payrolls and such. So I fully expect that I should be out of this trade by then. And I'll watch what the markets will say before I decide on how to go forward on the dollar pairs. So that's my take on the USD card, and I hope that it was instructional for you. Thank you very much.